Hi guys, this is Katie and welcome to Decorating for Halloween Day. So this is my first Halloween here in Chicago. Last year we moved here at the end of October, so we didn't really have much time to get excited. So as a British person, this is my first proper big preparing for Halloween time here in the US. I have spent the last few weeks going to places like Target and Spirit and Five Below, and picking up lots of different kind of decorations. We also picked up a few things on our trip in the summer. We also picked up some stuff from Amazon, and we're going to decorate to the max. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then watch along. Okay, so I thought I'd put some of the stuff out that we have got out, and I can show you what we've got before I start dotting them around our living room. This little set here was from Aldi. Then this was my Target shop. I have actually got a Target shop with me for Halloween video, so I will leave that link in the description. Anything like Spirit and stuff, I'll leave all those links in the description as well. And anything that's still available in Target and Amazon, I will try and leave the links to that as well, just in case anyone wants to shop for them. But I picked up these cute little ghosts. These were just $5 from Target. I picked up a whole pack of these beads, beaded necklaces. I'm going to use them for decoration, but then I'm also going to wear them to work when we have dress up days with the kids. I also picked up this sparkling Halloween witch's hat drink. We're gonna have a movie night for Halloween, so I'm looking forward to using that for that. And then I also picked up, this is all sitting in this big Halloween hat. I think you kind of use it for nachos or chips and dips or whatever, so I think that's what we're gonna use it for. And then over here we have this hand bowl. So this was from Five Below. This is just something that goes in the middle of it when you don't want the hand in the center of it. I'm keeping it in there for now so I don't lose it. We're gonna put some candy in it and it's gonna look like a hand is reaching out. So I really like that. This is from Five Below. And then this is also from Five Below. I think it was $3 or $5. So if I can find the price, I'll put it up. And this was $3 from Five Below. Really cute little ghost plant. This is obviously fake, but I love it. And we also did get some inflatables from Five Below and some lighting stuff. So I will show you those once I inflate them. But yeah, we also had those from Five Below too. Oh, and I also forgot these from Five Below. We picked up this potion, what's it called, cauldron, and you put water in it and you plug it in and it's mist. It's already out of the box because we did try it to make sure it works. So I'm gonna use that. And then we also did get this stack of pumpkins. They are really cute. They were just $5, which I thought was a really good price for them. And they kind of just come in a little box, but then you stack them up. I really like them. Okay, so then Shein, I picked up this little fabric pumpkin from Shein and a little set of ghosts that I just kind of thought were really cute. They're really affordable. And then we also picked up some stuff. So if you've watched our summer series, in fact, actually, you wouldn't have watched it. It's not up yet. When it's up, I'll link it. But we went to a place called Berlin in Ohio for our summer road trip. And we picked up some stuff from one of the Amish shops there. They had an Amish thrift store and then Amish stores that were closing down. And they had a huge sale. So we picked up some bits and bobs. So we picked up this little scarecrow type plant. We picked up a little pumpkin harvest Amish wooden statue for $5.99. We picked up this scary witches, what up witches, Halloween little pumpkin thing. We picked up this, it's for Thanksgiving, but I'm gonna just turn it the other way so it can be Halloweeny. We also picked up, hang on one second, we picked up this from our trip as well. I just thought it was really cute. And then what was inside of here, oh, these are from Shein, by the way. They have I also got a Christmas set. Shein I used in Thailand because it was the only place that you could really kind of buy Western size clothes from, and I love it. I actually did one of the years for Vlogmas, I did a whole video of all of my Christmas stuff that I bought from Shein because they have some really cool home decor stuff. And it's really it's not the worst quality in the world, but it's just really cool, affordable, nice little pieces. If it's not extravagant, expensive stuff, but it will I always kind of bought stuff from there when we were living in Thailand, so I would definitely recommend it. But I just kind of picked up a few bits of like jewelry and accessories and stuff for the seasons. So I did pick up this like bracelet set from Shein, and I also picked up these like ghost earrings. I also have some pumpkin earrings that I'm going to wear for school on Halloween as well. So yeah, lots of like little bits and bobs there. But yeah, I like them. I think Shein is a good shop. It's one of my favorite. This isn't sponsored, obviously. I just like Shein, but it's got some good like home decor stuff that's affordable. Back to my haul, I also picked up, so these were actually from Chili's. They had like a witch's brew drink that I was drinking the other day when we went to see NXT here in Chicago. Well, I say Chicago, it's in Rosemont, which is like on the outside of Chicago, but it's near the airport. And they have a Chili's. I had 2 witch's brews. It came with these cool little these cool little like mixers. And yeah, I'm happy with those. And then we also went to Spirit Halloween and we bought a few nice things from there. So we have this like ghost that we hang up. I'm gonna hang it up on one of the blinds. Oh, and then we also picked up this cool skull that I'm gonna pop in the corner of the room by the TV, I think, next to my Undertaker section, which I will show you in a minute. But I really liked it. It's obviously these are fake plants, but I just really like them. And then we also picked up this little ghost, and then we also picked up another ghost of some plant, and I thought they were really cute. They're actually like not too expensive. So this one was $12.99 and then this one was $14.99. I really like them. They're from Spirit Halloween, so definitely recommend, if you can, check one of those out. But yeah, love that. And then this was also, this lights up, and it was $2.99. So I'll show you some of this stuff when it lights up later as well. Oh, and then finally, I love Bath & Body Works. I am one of those people. I got the cinnamon caramel swirl. So I'll be honest, I have a hack for these. So like I said, last year we moved here at the end of October, and one of my colleagues said, don't buy any candles at all from Bath & Body Works until December. And I think it was like the first week of December, but there's always like a day where they have all of the candles for like $10. So I waited until then, and then I just bought all of like the different seasons. So I have caramel, cinnamon. This is cinnamon caramel swirl because it's like autumnal, smells of caramel. I love caramel. But you can use it for Christmas and autumn. And then I have all my other like champagne toast, which is like my favorite one. I bought like 2 of those. And I just bought loads of different ones that I can use. Like there's a tropical one there, there's like a seasonal one, like a Christmas one. So I bought a load of them last year, and I just have them in the cupboard, and I just like swap them in and out as and when the seasons change. Because I don't like candles every day, but I do get through them if I like use them, like if I move them back and forth, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting that candle out for the holidays, the Halloween holidays as well. Oh, and I just remembered, I do have 2 more things coming from Spirit Halloween. We ordered, Callum got like a voucher, like 20% off voucher or something via Chase, that's like our bank. So we went on to Spirit Halloween and we picked up some costumes, which I'm very excited to arrive. I won't reveal what they are until they're here. We've got his and hers, that's all I'm gonna say. I'm very excited. And then we also picked up a Hocus Pocus like serving tray, so that should be with us in the next like week. So when that comes, if I haven't put this video up yet, I'll pop that here in this video too. But I'm looking forward to that. They look cute too, so yeah. Now before I put all of this stuff out, let me show you my Undertaker corner. So if you're new here, I do love wrestling. If you're not new here, you've probably found me because of the wrestling videos. Me and my husband love wrestling. We actually got into it like during the pandemic, and the Undertaker, well, I kind of watched it when he was a kid, but I had never really watched it. But yeah, anyway, long story short, I love wrestling now. But the Undertaker is one of my favorite wrestlers. We actually were really fortunate that we got to meet him and Kane when we went to SummerSlam this year. They were like the loveliest people, but they were also gigantic. But they were really nice. But anyway, when we were at SummerSlam, they had the Undertaker urn, and we got a few bits and bobs. So I just wanted to have them, and I'm gonna use them for Halloween decorations, and that's my excuse for buying them. Okay, also just to let you know, we are putting this on a chair. I will get a piece of furniture perhaps to put this on. I did originally have it in this corner by the window, but we live in Chicago and it gets really windy here. So when we open these windows, and like it's like a lovely sunny day, so we do like to open the windows, but it gets so windy, and I worry that because we've got like, this is not the cheapest of things, and we also have a tiki glass, I worry about them breaking. So we do have a tiki glass. This is from the WWE shop. I'm gonna be honest, we also have The Rock and Stone Cold, but they're not Halloween, so they're not out. But these were just super cute. WWE always have like deals on every so often, so we picked it up, and it was like an early birthday present for me. And then we have the Undertaker urn. So this came inside this casket. This is the urn that he has like in the early days. We picked this up at SummerSlam, and we just, I don't know, we just had to get it. And then we also picked up this strobe lighting. I will show you later on when it's at night. I'm kind of not sure what to do with it. I'll be honest, this was like $5 from Five Below, and it's kind of cool. I think maybe it needs to like have a filter or something on it, but it looks cool. It's like our little haunted corner. Now that I've shown you all of the things, it's time to put on a Halloween movie and get decorating. We have this bobblehead from when we went to like a Star Wars day at White Sox. I don't know, he's wearing a cloak, right? That counts as Halloween. Sorry, Edward Scissorhands is making a lot of noise over there. This is a cute little plant that one of my students got me. That's meant to be me, I think, so I'm gonna keep her out. Before anyone judges me for having a banged up old chair in the corner of my room, we don't use it as a souvenir. So if you are a wrestling fan, you might recognize it. If you're not, let me explain. In wrestling, they often do like chair shots, where they use a chair to hit somebody. We went to a GCW taping like here in Chicago. We went to like one of their pay-per-view events, and the reason it has dents in it is because it was used to hit someone, but they obviously don't keep them afterwards, and we asked if we could take it home as a souvenir. Don't judge, it's a weird one. I like it, and right now it's going to be holding my Halloween decorations. And I'm going to try and fashion this to here somehow. Okay, we also have some stuff from Amazon that arrived. I'm not going to show it all to you right now, just because I'll be honest, a lot of it is inflatables. But one of the things I did get was a pump, because at Christmas last year, and actually for the Super Bowl, we bought a few things that needed blowing up, and I did not have the air capacity in my lungs for it. So we bought a pump this time. So we've got a few Halloween stuff. I've also bought like a tablecloth, and I also have a wreath actually from Target, so I'll pop that out in a minute and show you. But yeah, let's carry on. Well, I think I might have bought too many eyeballs. Okay, I did a thing from Five Below. They had this ghost, and in the picture it looks like the face is coming out the front of the window, and then the back is like in the back of the window, like inside the house. We live in an apartment on the 23rd floor of an apartment tower in Chicago, so I can't put this on the outskirt of the building. I think I might just put them through different windows. Let's see if it works. These are like a $5 as well. They're really good value. We also bought a 8-foot ghost from Five Below. I think it was $15. He's kind of cute. So we picked up this like witch inflatable, and there's like this thing down here, the cauldron, words today. It acts as like a storage for cold drinks, so you can put ice in there and like all your cold drinks. So for Halloween, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fill it up with some ice, put our cold drinks in there. We also have like these packets, I'll show you. We have these like packets of, I'll just show you, it makes sense, hang on. So we also bought from Amazon like a big pack of like syringes and these kind of like what are they called? I don't know, I'm just reading the instructions, interesting. Blood bags? I don't know what they're called, I'm not a nurse. But you know what I'm about, you know what these are. And we're gonna fill them up with like, we're gonna make cocktails and stuff like that. And fill them up and have them kind of like dotted around the house, but also pop them in there like our cocktail ones in the ice bucket that is this cauldron. So that is the plan for Halloween. We're going all out, can you tell? We're going all out. Oh, and as an additional thing, we also bought this mist maker. You just pop it into water. It has like a battery pack in it, like a small battery, and you just put it into water and she'll make mist. So we're gonna put that in the potion cauldron for Halloween. So hit subscribe and see how that turns out when we do that. See if it works. Well, I'm not sure. Oh, and we also bought this, What Do You Meme? Halloween Family Edition. I thought that might be quite fun too. And I am done. So I have all my decorations out. Yes, that last inflatable was a coffin. It actually is kind of flat at the back. So we actually have a version of this that's like for Super Bowl. So what we're gonna do is for Halloween, when we take out the when we put the dining room table out, we're gonna serve all the food in this, like put all our snacks and stuff in that. And I also wanted to mention for Halloween itself, I did pick up this like moonlit cottage from Target. It was like really, I think it's only $5. I'll double check that, but it wasn't that expensive. They did have like a haunted mansion, which was like ridiculous prices, but I did pick up that. So I'm going to do this for our Halloween night. I'm going to make cookies and brownies. I'm actually thinking I might make some cookies today. So I picked up these sets from Mariano's, the supermarket that we shop in. There's like a pumpkin one, but then there was also this big set of ones here. But yeah, that is my decorating for Halloween. I hope you liked it, and I will be back in 1 minute. Well, actually it'll be in a few hours because it's dark, and I will show you what this is like when it's dark as well.